Okay, we have a full line of accessories that works with our panels to make your investment, which you invest in the panels, to make it so you can do more with it. So your investment is minimal. With some minor or small adapters, you can do a lot of different things. One of the main things that we do is what we call the super clear. Now you can pan over here, if you would, over to the internal pounding member of the back of the box. What we do is we reinforce the internal pounding member. Now that you can put an added spreader within from the back of the box in. So you can have clear out the back, number one, and you can shorten up the distance between the spreaders, and you'd have less deflection in the box. Then also, if you was laying risers, you needed to do work higher than the spreaders of concrete work, but now you could do it within the safety of the box as you slide on by. The other accessories that we carry is stacking plates, obviously for the stacking lugs. We carry drop-ons that you can put the front of the box or the back of the box to stop spoil from coming in from either end, or a clump of earth falling off the bank and hurting somebody. We have a big clear for larger diameter pipe that pins on the back. We have beam spreaders that you can put front and back that replaces the regular pipe spreaders that you can put steel plates up against when you need to have, let's say, a square pit, let's say 20 by 20 would be an example. We do have 20-foot beams that work as spreaders that would take the pressure of the earth that you put steel plates up against. We have T1 trench plate kits that you can use on the outside of the box, drive down alongside the box, down below the box to hold off running soil coming underneath the box from the sides. Or using the T1 trench plate in the front of the box and back of the box to keep the soil from not coming in. We do, in driving situations, for driving box applications, when you're leapfrogging boxes, we have a racking adapter available that you can put on into spreaders. And then now you can picture this, if you're driving one side of a box down, actually the boxes are kind of coming together, which you don't want. So these racking adapters, as you drive one side down, it actually holds the box panels parallel to one another. Then we have spreader adjusters, so you can make your spreaders longer or narrower, depending on the job. We have square connectors where you can hook the boxes together square. We have a socket rail adapter now that it hooks on your vertical member now, that hooks on your sockets, and it turns the box into a regular trench box into a slide rail application. Now you can have a telescopic box to go down into for laying, let's say, example, big pipe would be one example, or just going down in unstable soil. Also, we have a system that we call vertical lining adapters. This is where you can go down so far with your shield. Now you can begin to put panels together below that. For example, would be 4-foot high stacking panels. So those 4-foot stacking panels would connect together square, and you put them in place in the ditch below the existing boxes you already put in. The main foundation of the Titan boxes is really that we take the outside skin, lay it down on our tables, and we take the inside skin, which would normally go in normal trench boxes, and we bend it into a series of C shapes, as what you can see here, and then weld it to the outside skin. For us, by welding the C's to the outside skin, that eliminates any structural members being in between the skins to hold them apart. So all that weight that we saved on that inside structural material that normal box manufacturers, other box manufacturers put in, we're able to take that material and put it in what I call the ring of steel, meaning the ends, the top, coming back around to the bottom. Every place the box would come in contact with the ground or the excavator bucket. But also the other neat thing about it is that gives us 16-inch centers to brace the outside skin. Now what that eliminates on the back side of the box, or the outside of the box, that eliminates that checkerboarding. When you have the checkerboarding in a box, it's more difficult to pull through the tench. And once you get the checkerboarding, and also the box needs to be derated, because actually the outside skin and the inside skin become, the wall of the box actually becomes narrower at that point. Also, there's another neat feature, a couple other neat features you get with welding the C-shapes and having this here gap in here. It gives you a nice place to keep your pipe target. So after you lay your pipe to the front, you put your pipe down, you lay it, you go reach up here, your target's always at a place, you're done laying your pipe, you put it back up. It's never lost in the trench. And then at the back of the box, when you get ready to put your pipe on, you keep your pipe dope on the shelf here, keep it clean. You can always take it out, dope up your pipe, put it back. So it gives you a good place to keep your tools. We also manufacture another panel, the Titan panel, that has a solid face. We call that the Titan 2. And we have a patent on a series of L's that's bent. And then when L bumps into the next L, you still get the 16-inch centers on your bracing of the outside skin, but now you have a flush surface. But that's the concept of the way we build. We bend and fold steel to get strength. Then we're able to all be placed better with thicker metal we need, like at the ends or at the bottom, to get more stronger and be more durable and to last longer and to be more usable in the ditch. That's our goal in our designing our boxes. We're constantly making improvements, little things as we hear from the end customers. Again, back to it, an example would be the sockets, doing a more durable socket. In conclusion, that what Kundel Industries is try to do all the time is just take a basic, simple panel, and we try to make it as durable as we can and as versatile as we can, so the contractor or user of our product, rental company, can use the product, use the standard panel to do more things. So we have a full line of these accessories that works with it, so really you can invest less and do more with it. And yet it's simple. Thank you.